वाइट मार छोटे येलो मार रहे नहीं कोई दिक्कत नहीं उनको चल दो
हैप्पी एंड होपफुली हम दोबारा फिर से लौटेंगे। एक्चुअली काफ़ी कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स मिले हैं बट आई थिंक द बिगेस्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट जो मुझे मिला है कि उनका नाम नहीं लेना चाहूँगा बट एक है उन्होंने मुझसे कहा कि यू हैव फाइनली शोड अप एज एन एक्टर, तो वो सुनकर मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा क्योंकि मैं उनको बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करता हूँ। नहीं वो जाने दो। हाँ नहीं अभी मैंने कुछ साइन नहीं किया है फिलहाल बट होपफुली आने वाले दिनों में एक अनाउंसमेंट आता हूँ। नॉट रियली बिकॉज आई मीन तो ये एक फिक्शनलाइज एंटरटेनमेंट वाला शो है तो आई डोंट थिंक इसे इतना ज़्यादा सीरियसली लेना चाहिए। आई एम अ ह्यूज क्रिकेट फैन, बचपन से मैं क्रिकेट खेलते आया हूँ, क्रिकेट देखते आया हूँ, तो आई मीन आई एम नॉट I still love it the same way, तो yeah. नहीं फिल्मों से ज़्यादा तो नहीं। आई मीन अलग है, इट्स लाइक कंपेयरिंग एप्पल्स एंड ऑरेंजेस। आई थिंक आप कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते हो। जो फिल्म का आपको जो प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता है वो बहुत अलग है एंड आई थिंक जो डिजिटल द्वारा आपको एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिलती है वो बहुत अलग है। सो आई डोंट थिंक आप उसे कंपेयर कर सकते हो बट आई थिंक आने वाले सालों में डिजिटल का रीच बढ़ता ही जाएगा। Thank you so much.
Hi. Hello. Good. How are you?
Congratulations for the success of the movie.
Thank you. It's not a movie, you know. It's not even a web series. What is it? It's a VOD, video on demand. Okay, it's an original show. I mean, it feels really good. We were very apprehensive because the first time that, content like this, which is original content from India, is going to a world audience. But apparently, it's done really well, and that's why we're here celebrating the success. And it feels really good that, the audience has accepted it and apparently really liked it. So thank you, all of you, for watching it and liking it. Family and friends, my mother really liked it. Most of my friends really enjoyed the show. They had a few points which I think we should incorporate in the next season if we make one. But yeah, I think overall people really enjoyed it and everyone said that it's a very gripping show. It's very well written. Performances are really good. It looks like, it's a large scale production. So which are all good things. And it looks like, people said it looks like an authentic show, on the game of cricket, and there's been justice made. So, yeah. Thank you. After Inside Edge, I have two Indo-British films, one of which is The Hungry, and we are going to the Toronto International Film Festival in September. That's the American premiere, so we're really excited about that. Yeah, that's all I can say. हाँ, इसी में हंगरी में ही हमने काम किया. वो मेरे फादर का रोल निभा रहे हैं. My character, I'll just take that first. The character's name is Lavleen Ahuja. She's this 22-year-old girl who comes from a very rich family, but there's a lot goes on, but I can't really say because it's very plot-driven. It's an adaptation of Shakespeare's and Titus Andronicus, so it's a very gruesome drama, I can say. So yeah, you guys have to watch it. That's a very random question. अब उसका क्या ही बोल सकते हैं. आई थिंक जितना टाइम जा रहा है हम बहुत इंडिविजुअलिस्टिक हो गए हैं. हम बहुत सिर्फ अपने बारे में ही सोचते हैं, अपनी ज़िंदगी को लेके. सब लोग हम मतलब इंक्लूडिंग माई सेल्फ, हम बहुत ज़्यादा सेल्फ सेंटर्ड हो गए हैं. और आई थिंक आप जब किसी, जैसे आप बोल रहे हैं एक्सीडेंट, आप जब किसी को हेल्प करने की भी कोशिश करते हैं, जैसे पुलिस केसेस होता है, ये सब डरते हैं कि हम फंस ना जाए, वो सब है. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ प्रॉब्लम विथ द माइंडसेट एंड आई डोंट थिंक वी कैन डू रियली एनीथिंग अबाउट इट. इट्स व्हाट पीपल फील एंड आई डोंट थिंक गवर्नमेंट कैन डू एनीथिंग. इट्स अप टू अस. It's up to us what we really want to do with our lives. Sorry. I don't think it's a debacle, yeah. When we made the film, it's a very difficult format of a film. The thing is that India में reference point नहीं है musical का. Like I have grown up watching, the Guppy Gain series that Satyajit Ray made, but not a lot of, the masses in India haven't really grown up in watching films like this. So it's a very difficult film. It was a very brave film to make, and I'm really happy that we made the film. And it doesn't matter because I really feel that it's an extremely special film and it had to be made, and I think it's a step forward for Indian cinema. I really believe so. No, I don't think Anurag Basu ekdam bhi responsible hai. I think I keep saying that he's a mad genius. Everyone has their way of working, and you can't really criticize anyone because it's a very personal thing. An artist is trying his or her best to create something, and you should just give everyone the space they need to be able to make a film the way they want to. And I think I had a lot of fun, and I would love to work with Basu again and again. यार मुझे ना ये पैसों का हिसाब समझ में ही नहीं आता. मैं फिल्म करती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कुछ क्रिएट करने में, और आई थिंक आई डोंट हैव द I just don't understand that world, so maybe yes, what you're saying is right, but it's, every film has its own destiny, and I guess, this is what Jagga's destiny was, but it's fine. It's totally fine. Thank you.
How much time?